Bonanza is a niche marketplace that focuses on hard-to-find products. To integrate your Sellercloud account with Bonanza, you must enter your Bonanza credentials in the company settings. Go to Settings, click Companies, Manage Companies and select your company. Head on over to the Toolbox and select Bonanza. Go to General Settings and click Edit. First, click on Bonanza Enabled. Enter your username and password. Enter the booth name. You can check this on the Bonanza website when viewing your profile. Click Save. Go into the Actions menu and click Fetch Token. Enter your username and password. The token will appear in the token field with an expiration date. Go back to Actions and search for Verify Token. Add a default safety quantity and a default quantity for replenishable items if applicable. Click Save. Check the following boxes: Enable Order Download, Enable Tracking Export, and Enable Inventory and Price Upload. Only enable these options, especially Inventory Upload, once you are confident your products are ready for Bonanza.